Do you know how to do a beacon check? Here's a few things that you want to do before you leave the trailhead. Number 1, turn your beacon on, make sure it goes through a function check properly and powers up with no errors.
All right, function check. Beacon is functioning properly.
Number 2, be certain to have at least 70% battery power for the day. C's get degrees.
All right, I got 99%.
Number 3, make sure you're sending and that somebody else can pick up that signal.
Flipping in the search.
Sweet.
4, get in transceive mode and make sure that you can pick up other signal.
All right, now I'll check you. 0.3, there you are. All right.
5, stow it properly for the day. Be certain to make a beacon check part of your backcountry ritual before heading out of the trailhead. Keep it safe out there and be well.